Introducing FlameSelect on Bosch gas cooktops. An entirely new and better way to cook with gas. FlameSelect offers 9 preset power levels to easily adjust flame levels for more precise, controlled heating every time you cook. High-efficiency burners get hotter faster, so you can get cooking more quickly. Our dual-ring burners generate concentrated low heat with a single inner flame, while providing extra power with a second outer flame. Perfect for faster heating and boiling. The OptiSim burner offers precision flame control even at the lowest settings. Ideal for melting chocolate or perfecting tricky sauces. Specially enameled dishwasher-safe grates can slip right into the bottom rack when you're ready to clean. Plus, easy-to-see residual heat indicators keep you safe, even after the fire's out. FlameSelect, available on select Bosch gas cooktops. Part of the Bosch cooking collection. Bosch, invented for life.